I will tell you nothing new if I say software crosses your whole company. Every business process and every task is supported by software. Your team has a long list of new features, enhancements for legal requirements, or interfaces to customers and suppliers. You normally prioritize them by duration, costs, is it a legal requirement, and of course, has the team the necessary capacities to implement it. Software automation is hardly ever discussed, but automation can help you to free your necessary developer resources for new features. I looked at LinkedIn today and I saw that there are 18,000 open jobs offers in the US and more than 24,000 open jobs in Europe. So you have to look for new employees on a very rare market. You should think about how to free your team resources. This helps you also to save time in onboarding them. Because even if you found a new employee, it normally takes months to get deep in your systems and be able to implement new features and functionalities without a long time to get into the sources and the functionality implemented over decades. Can automation help you with that problem? Of course it can. We used our automatic Java refactoring tool on 10 open source projects. We ran it an average duration time of 20 minutes and we found more than 10 person-years of saving potential. So you see, there is a big potential with software automation. Tools can do automatic work for you. Let your team implement new features instead. Don't waste time with repetitive and tedious work. Let your team implement new and interesting features to support your business.